We're now ready to discuss how the short run transitions to the long run in this model. So let's start out in the short run. We are at y0, and we have an equilibrium here at this point, and our price level is at P0. Okay? So what happens is that notice that we're not in our long run equilibrium at full potential. We are actually beyond that. Okay, we are beyond full potential. So what's going to happen is workers are going to start asking for higher wages, and supplies, since we're producing beyond full employment, are going to start becoming more expensive. So that's going to cause a shift in the aggregate supply curve, because now wages are bid up and resource costs are bid up. And that's going to cause a price increase, okay, from this point right here to this point right here. And what's going to happen is that's going to continue until we finally reach equilibrium where our output is at YP. Let's look at the next graph and see what that looks like. So we're going to have a shift and another shift and another shift. And notice that the equilibrium from here to this is aggregate supply 0, then aggregate supply 1 is going to cause a reduction in output and an increase in prices. Aggregate supply 2 is going to cause another reduction in output and increase in prices. And aggregate supply 3 is in our long run equilibrium, and then we're going to finally be back where we're at full employment. And we also had increases in prices. So what this shows is that in the short run, we can be beyond full employment. But in the long run, our aggregate supply curves are going to continue to shift up to a point where we are back at equilibrium at A0.